What's cracking? We're in the city of Fontana today for the Fontaneros cruise on Spring Street. Let's get into it. It's clean ass mural on that, on the pickup, dog pound. 52, got a blazer. This lineup is all pretty much dog pound, and then Empire. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe for all your lowrider content and other stuff. Clean paint job on that. That was dope. The Santa Muerte Stylistics. Damn, that mural though. That's nice. That engraving though too. Clean. Got another Stylistics right here. Cheers everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a good start of their day. As the homie says, got the carbonated drink. Got the bomb pulling through. For Oldsmobile. Playing roll call. Damn, little work on that is clean. It's barely 3 to start it at 2. Usually this is always cracking. We got the old memories, Inland Empire. Convertible. Clean 39. Two-tone green, looking pretty dope. 46 lead line. Got lead foss. Nice, nice. Got the Bel Air, old memories. Damn, they're out here today. Got the 38. Straight mobster cars. Always love these, especially with the side step. Stand outside that, do your drive-by. 47. Dignified. Damn, loving the paint job on that. Clean ass Monte Carlo for sure. Let's see what else we got out here. Got the turntables. Oh yeah. First show of the day. There's a lot of shows going on today, at least a handful. I'm gonna try to hit hopefully 2 more at least. But one's in LA, 2 are in LA, and next one's in Hollywood, Glendale. So we'll see what we hit next. Chingones. It's clean. Line work on that. Dope little pinstripe right there, clean. Let's see. It's clean. Loving that interior. Dope. Let's see. Damn, convertible Monte Carlo. Line work on that though. That's clean. The bumper got the coins and the bullets on there. That's just dope. It's new edition car club. Clean. Out of Norwalk. Roscoe family. 54. This is off of Spring Street, Nuevo. For the people that don't know, usually this place is always cracking. Not really cracking right now because it just started, but as the day goes, it should get packed. 84 Rego. Clean. Let's check out these two over here. 85 Nomad. Got the Bel Air. We got the box it pulled up. Primer down. 58. Oh shit. '49 pickup. Got the '68 Nova. Shit's nice. Love seeing cars like that. '46 Viejitos. '40. Damn, the color on this, I love that color. Sick. They got the Budweiser gray. That's dope. Try to avoid this music a little, but probably won't happen. Damn, I thought he had a bulldog in there. He had one of those piggy banks. Damn, line work on that is clean. Sick. Got a collection of those Fontaneros. Dope, dope, dope. Tommy gun, clean. See what else we got out here. Usually the parking lot right here is full too. A lot of dope ass rides. Not bad, not bad. For the first show of the day. Fine Life. Sick. That's clean. It's a clean ass. I think that's probably one that I would get something like that. This one's out of Ontario. So that's pretty much it. The rest are all vendors. Got shaved ice, fresh lemonade, Frank's hats. That is us craft and gift. CC's beauty corner. Let's see what else they got. Some pupusas. Loaded fries. Good amount of vendors today though. Keep it classic. Oh, that's tight. Dope, dope, dope. Bacon wrap dogs. Got beef jerky. That's pretty much it. Let's see.